day 6 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. I'm sitting next to this very cluttered counter because we are in the middle of a challenge. And today we're going to tackle our hot spots. What spots, you might ask? Well, flat areas in our home that always seem to be magnetized. And they seem to draw in clutter no matter what we do. Yesterday, I didn't practice the put away not tell rule that we follow in our homes because I love you all so very much, and I didn't do it in the rest of the home because been there, done that. So much so that my whole entire home was so much filled with clutter that I couldn't even see the floors in my home of nightmares. But I digress. I have my hotspots here, and for today's challenge, we're going to take 2 minutes and put out those hotspots. But over the weekend, we were supposed to be continuing our habits, which things in the night and getting dressed to shoes in the morning. I hope you did that, but also enjoyed your weekend because now let's begin on our hotspots. Whatever is trash, put it off to one side, and whatever is not, put it off to the other side because we only have 2 minutes and we want to get as far as possible. So I couldn't exactly move the camera around because the boys were sleeping at the time of filming, but be sure the trash, you're putting it in the trash, and whatever is not trash, be sure to put it away in its proper place so that you're not left with a bigger mess at the end. If you have any donations, be sure you put it in a box or something so you take it with you the next time you go out to donate. If you did finish decluttering your hotspot, my special fun twist is that you put something beautiful on it so we're not tempted to clutter it again. And if you didn't finish, don't worry because we will be doing this every single day for 2 minutes. So now our habits consist in shining our sink every night, dressing to shoes every day, and giving ourselves encouraging words in the mirror twice a day. Bonus if you give an encouraging word to someone else. And now we're adding for 2 minutes, if you have any, clear off your hotspots. If you have no hotspots, then take those 2 minutes for yourself until we add on more time for ourselves during the rest of this challenge. Since we're all done for now, if you are interested about how I keep my hotspots clear generally, check out this video here where I give my best tips on how to do that. And I hope I see you tomorrow for day 7 of the Fly Lady Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!